Hi, I'm Felix Jade, and I'm passionate video editor for the past 1 month. I've been helping creators, brands, and businesses bring their stories to life, frame by frame. Whether it's trimming down raw footage, adding clean transition, syncing audio, or enhancing visual, I focus on making every video engaging on a brand. I specialize in short form content like Reels, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, YouTube Vlogs, and tutorials, promo and brands video, basic motion graphics, and caption. I use tools like Adobe Premiere Pro, CapCut, Canva, and DaVinci Resolve to ensure smooth, high quality edits deliver on time. If you're looking at a reliable editor who's creative, detail oriented, and easy to work with, let's connect. Thank you and very much. God bless.